12 eggs from you, and we performed ICSI on the mature eggs only. So after cleaning, 10 of the 12 eggs were mature, and today 8 of them show normal signs of fertilization.
Okay. Good. That's really good news.
Alright, and so the next update for you guys would be on day 5 of your embryos, and that would be Monday, February 17th. And that's when we'll go over the grading of each of your embryos and how many of them would be eligible for genetic testing, and more than 3 of them make it to the blastocyst stage.
Okay, so we won't hear like day 3 or anything like that. We just hear from you guys at like the final, the end.
Yes.
Okay. And you guys will probably call in the afternoon time, is that what they said?
For day 5?
Yeah.
Day 5, it could, most likely it would be after 10 o'clock.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.
You
Thank
too.
you so
Thanks.
much.
Bye.
You too.
I'm
Oh, that's
naked.
really good.
Hold on.
So that's really good.
Oh my god.
So my only thing is that like last time, like we heard kind of along the way, and now we're just like waiting to the end.
Yeah, except for this time, like last time we only had 6 out of the 13, right? That
There
survived.
were 6
that
or
matured.
7. I can't remember. if it
Babe,
was
we
6
have
or
got
7.
8 so far.
So that's really good. I wish we would hear like part way along the way. You know what I mean? Like makes me very
Well, I
anxious
think
to
it's-
wait
I
like
think
until the very end. It's like I'd rather hear along the way like, okay, 3 of them didn't make it, and then and then like as it gets
I
closer
know.
there, then we kind of get an idea rather than just like I don't know. Hey, doo! You were in this spot. You were in this spot.
You are our one surviving embryo,
You were an embryo. Yeah.
Aw.
You were the embryo.
Oh my god, that's such good news.
That's really good news.
We weren't expecting that. So I wish I was a little bit more prepared to be on camera. Let me put some clothes on. Hold on. I just got such good news from our office so far. I don't want to get my hopes up too much because we still have a few more days to wait to see like what happens. But so basically we have 8 that fertilized, which is like so much better from what happened last time, because last time I think it went down to half. So Travis and I were just like preparing for the, not for the worst, but just preparing that like at least like maybe we would get 6 that fertilized, but we got 8.
Yeah, that's really good. We kind of set in our mind very similar numbers of the last time, which was like, well, like 12 or 13, and then 6 of them. So we kind of figured half, and then like half like after that. But that's really good news. I'm really happy. I'm obviously anxious until the very end, because the last time we did it, they let us know like halfway through, and they told us kind of along the way, like, hey, on day 3.
Your baby? Your baby's hungry. You want to give her the bottle?
On day 3, like 2 or 3 of them didn't make it, and so we were kind of in the loop along the way, and now we just kind of wait. Hey, duck
I'm
it
gonna give
up.
her her toothbrush. So yeah, last time we heard day 1, day 3. Well, we heard day 1, day 3,
They called us
day
on like
5.
day 3, and I kind of like I don't know if they can do that. It didn't sound like they offered it. I was like,
No, they don't do it at this clinic. Every clinic's different. Honey, can you pick her up? My stomach still really hurts. Like I literally just had surgery yesterday.
Hey, come on.
So yeah, here you go, baby. Look it, you have a passy? Oh, you're thirsty. So yeah, we have 8 right now that have survived, and they say like to plan on it going like halfway down. So I told Travis like I would be happy if we got 3 embryos that we could freeze that like survived, because last time we had 1 that survived.
It was very nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
Because it was like all or nothing.
Right.
And
You don't get like a second chance.
Yeah, we tried to be very calm, but that was like very,
Yeah, that was hard.
that was hard.
But so far, this is going way better than last time. Because last time we got 13 eggs when we were trying for snow. and then like only 5 or 6 were like mature enough to be fertilized. And so they did 10, and then 8. They have 8 right now that are surviving.
Yeah.
And like growing like they're supposed to. So that's awesome.
Yeah, in my mind, and in my head, here, I'll come over here.
Thanks.
Like the thing. In my mind, I'm already setting myself up for half of them not making it.
Right, like maybe like 4
so
surviving.
that's my, is this, I don't know.
I mean, I don't want her to cry, but it's really hard for me to hold her.
Yeah, then I can't come into like frame because she's too.
There you go. It's okay, baby.
It's okay, I can't.
Anyway, so yeah, I would be happy if 3 survived. We don't find out till Monday, so obviously we'll keep you guys posted. But so far, like, I was so nervous for this phone call, like all day today. I've been like really nervous. Last night I had a little bit of trouble sleeping, so I was like, oh my god, what if they just tell me like all my eggs are shit and like none of them worked and this was all for nothing? Like, I don't know, my anxiety makes me think of the worst like
this one
scenarios.
I wasn't as worried about because
Oh,
we're starting with 12, and so I figured like anything 6 or above, I'm like, you know, that's what I expect. Monday's phone call is my
Monday's gonna be
worry
really
one, not
nerve-wracking.
today's phone call.
I'm worried for all of them, but this one was like way better than I expected. So I'm super, super happy about that. And like I said, we're gonna be on our toes until Monday's call, but I'm just wishing and hoping and praying that we at least get 3. That way I get 3 tries, you know? And I know like it only takes 1, but like you never know what's gonna happen, you know? So anyway, I'm very excited so far, and yeah, we'll keep you guys posted, but wanted to update you guys on that and let you guys know how many embryos have survived so far and that are growing how they should. All right, love you guys, bye. Mom.
What?
We got a call from the fertility place.
How many embryos?
Yeah.
Eggs or embryos? It takes 5 days.
I know, well, we don't know yet, but this is just so far what we have.
So you had 12.
Yes.
12 eggs, yeah.
And then they got 10 to fertilize, and then today, so far, 8 have survived. That's really good.
That's really good.
I know. So
Yay.
I know. So we don't find out till Monday how many survived, but let me call you right back. Or I'll call you.
How many was it last time?
We only got 6 last time on the first day. I'll call you back. Brittany's on the other line.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
So do you want to know how many we got so far?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is just for obviously day 1,
Okay.
but we have 8 so far that have survived.
Yay.
I know.
Oh my gosh. No, you're going to have a lot of siblings.
Well, we don't know if they're gonna all survive. We're hoping
How many
like
survived the first time?
6.
Well, no,
Out of 13.
There were 6 at the beginning.
There
was
was
only snow.
Well, no, yeah. But the first time we did it, we got 13 eggs, and then we had 6 on day 1 that were like mature enough. So 10 were mature out of the 12, which is like huge, like a big
Really
difference.
good.
Yeah. So we just wanted to let you know.
Yay.
How are you doing?
Yay. I'm good.
Good. You look beautiful.
So, thanks.
I hung up on Mom to talk to you.
Thanks. Hi, Snowy.
Hi, Snow.
Hey, baby.
We miss you.
Miss you. I'll see you later.
Okay, call me later. Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Yay. Bye.
Yay, bye.
You have a lot to say too. You got a noisy mouse. You,